How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be changing the valve cover gasket on this 2008 Ford Mustang. So first we're going to do is move these 6 bulbs, 3 on the side and 3 on the other side. I'm going to move this out of the way with the 4 bolts, and move the connection to the side. First, I'm going to disconnect the fuel line. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the spark plug pipeline. Disconnect this hose. And I get the 4 bolts out. Disconnect it right here. Disconnect the spark plugs. Wire. Put this side. Off 2 bolts here. 1 over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this and this. Get this harness out of the way. This one right here. Disconnect all these harnesses from here, here. Disconnect this hose. Go from here. Get the bracket out of the way. Get the clips off the hot wire. Now move this to the side. Now you can get the bolts here. The other one's over here. Guys, there you have it. The cover is out. Go ahead, put in the new gasket and the bulbs, rings. Don't forget those. And go ahead and install it again. Same way you got it out. Put every connection back. And there you have it. And then next is the passenger side. The same thing. Get the hose off. The wires to this side and get to the 3 bolts on this side and the 3 bolts on this side. Get it off, clean it off. There you have it. I got the other side off. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off all this dirt here. Don't let nothing get in here. This is the cover. Go ahead, take off this old gasket, put in the new one in. Same thing with the bolt. Take this old one off. Put in the new ones. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the cover, same gold color. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I'm gonna put everything back in just the way it was. Okay guys, when you finish putting in the gasket, don't forget to put in the seal. Put it around. Got this advanced auto parts, $10. And put on the cover, put the bolts, put on the connections. Hey guys, there you have it. Valve cover gasket changed and painted. Sorry about the noise. It's kind of windy out here. Yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.